Hey TLC Plumbing, this is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO. Wanted to shoot this quick video for you to show you three quick things that you can do today that'll help bring in more business from customers searching for plumbers in Athens. And when I do a search on plumbers in Athens, that's bringing in 720 searches a month. So a lot of the businesses that I end up partnering with are usually, sitting on the other side asking themselves, why am I doing this? But I found out that by giving small business owners this free attack plan on things that they can do for free, it's turned into them saying, you know what, Tyler, I like you. Go ahead and do this for me. So if you find out by the end of this that, I have some tricks up my sleeve that I do think would help generate more business to you guys, then give me a call, or if you just want to take this information I've given you and simply run with it and implement it into your digital marketing strategy that you're using now, then by all means, please feel free to do so. So go ahead and jumping into it. Looking at you guys' site, the first thing I wanted to talk about was content. And in order to be optimized in Google's eyes, you need to have at least 1,500 or more words on that front page. And I did a search, and you guys have only 194. And so your main competition, who's number one, the first organic site, is Plumber Pro Service and Drain. And on their front page, they have 756. So both still not hitting that 1,500 mark that is being optimized in Google's eyes, but still very beatable to get you guys from that 194 up to that 1,500. So the next thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was citations. And you see here, this is the map pack, and it's made up of NAPs, which is the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. And so when I talk about citations, I like to use a site called WhiteSpark, and that shows us how many citations that each site has. So did a search for plumbers in Athens, Georgia, and it brought me up the top 11 listings. And the lowest one on the top 11 has 18. So you guys have less than 18 citations pointing back to your site. And all that simply means is that there are less than 18 sites on the web that have your NAP, which is your name, your address, and your phone number. So you could easily be beating your number one competition. They only have 38, but you need to be beating them by at least 100 to 200 citations. And what I like about WhiteSpark is you can go here to view sources, click on it, and it'll list out all of the citations that each one of these top 10 listings is using. You could basically steal those for yourself and add your NAP to each one of those websites. So the last thing I wanted to talk to you about is also very important in Google's eyes, and it's backlinks. We like to call it link juice. And how it works, simply put, is that site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, giving site B more authority. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but it's a little more complex than that, because you need to have relevant sites pointing back to you. So seeing that you guys are plumbers, you need to have plumbing sites, plumbing related sites pointing back to you, and not like a Pizza Hut pointing at you, because you guys aren't, slinging pizzas for a living. So a tool that I like to use is called Ahrefs. And I've put you guys' website in there, and you guys have 20 backlinks. So that's just a little bit of link juice. But your number one competitor has 794 backlinks. So still very beatable, but want to be beating them by at least 200 backlinks in order to be beating them by a landslide in Google's eyes. So wrapping up, we talked about content. You need that 1,500 words on your front page to be optimized by Google. Citations. Need to be beating out your number one competition by at least 100 to 200 citations. And then backlinks, aka link juice, you need to have at least 200 to 300 more backlinks than your main competition. So obviously, you can take this information that I've given you, take it for free, run with it, implement it into your strategies that you're using now. And I guarantee that you'll be number one across Google and the map packs. Or if you want to save some time and go the more effective route, then give me a call as soon as you get this. My number is 678-661-5685. 5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design, and my number is 678-661-5695. Looking forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks.